Hey business owners, listen up because if you want to keep more money in your pocket this year, the new One Big Beautiful Bill Act, or OBBBA, is about to shake up your tax savings game. And yes, I said beautiful because the numbers are looking good. First up, bonus depreciation is back. Starting January 2025, you can permanently deduct 100% of your qualifying property up front. That new office equipment or tech upgrade? Write it all off. No more waiting years to recover your costs. Section 179, remember that one? The limits jump to $2.5 million and you won't phase out until $6.5 million in expenses. Small businesses, this is your green light to invest and grow. For my startup owners and tech founders, get this qualified small business stock, now lets you exclude up to $15 million in capital gains tax-free. And the kicker? You just need to hold your shares for 3 years for some serious tax breaks. Now, the QBI deduction, 20% off your business income, is officially permanent. Even if you're just getting started and pull in $1,000, you can still snag at least a $400 write-off. But, heads up, charitable deductions for corporations have a new floor. You'll need to give over 1% of your taxable income before you can claim a deduction, but the 10% cap stays. Plan your giving wisely. Here's a breather for your bookkeeping. Starting in 2026, you only need to file 1099s for non-employee payments over $2,000. This is less paperwork, allowing you more time to focus on what matters. R&D costs? They're fully deductible again if they're domestic. Keep innovating, you'll see the tax benefit instantly. Plus, expanded credits for childcare and paid leave, up to 50% back on what you provide your team. It pays to invest in your people. Opportunity zones get a refresh with new rural zones and clearer rules, so new investments mean new tax breaks. Also, depreciation and amortization are now included in the business interest deduction formula, letting you deduct more. Hungry for savings? Select business meals, at remote work sites or even on fishing vessels, are now 100% deductible. But don't wait if you're going green. Many energy credits are out the door by 2027, so act fast. Musicians and producers, up to $150,000 in recording expenses are now deductible each year. And yes, even spaceports can use tax-exempt bonds just like airports. The future really is here. Most of these changes kick in by 2025 or 2026, so now's the time to plan your moves. Ready to maximize your business savings? Book your consultation today at Perez, Goree and Associates. Let's get strategic before these windows close. This content is for educational purposes only. Consult a licensed professional before acting. Results may vary. Click the link within this description to download your copy of these tax law changes.